guys, this is Kimberly. Nice to meet you all. Welcome to my video. Today I'm gonna show you long twisted curl pattern wig. This is the lace front wig. And this is how it looks. I like this twisted way like this. It goes like the left side or right side. So it makes natural color like this. It mixes well. You can see it goes right side like this. It goes the left side like this. I like this tension. How pretty it is. I love this natural style. And this is made of 100% human hair, which is virgin Remy hair. And this color is jet black, the darkest black, number 1. And it comes 3 different colors: natural color, jet black, and off black. Let's start to take a look at in details. Ta-da! And look at the front side. It's naturally tied. And the lace is very thin and soft. It has wide lace front, so you can part any way you want. And it has silk base. It's very soft, so it doesn't make any itch scalp. And there is silk base layer is coated on the forehead line all the way through. And both ear tabs as well. And 2 combs at the front side. And 1 comb at the nape side. And it has closed cap. It's very sturdy but stretchable. This wig is well made. I like the way it goes. Unlike the regular lace front, it doesn't have any non-slip grips, but it's okay. It has 2 combs and a silk base right here, so it can't be held and is good for securing the wig. And like this style, you don't need a brush, you just need your finger. You can style with your finger like this, goes the outside or go the inside like this, just twist it. That's all. So it's very low maintenance. Just twist it like this. So pretty. can make like this. Or you can make like this, just pin it up. So pretty. Okay, time to wrap up. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.